A powerful nor'wester storm wreaked havoc in Bhadrak, uprooting trees, tearing off roofs, and causing severe damage to homes on Friday. The storm, which hit around 4:30 p.m., saw winds of terrifying intensity, knocking down trees that blocked roads and caused widespread destruction. Several homes were damaged and electric wires were torn down, leaving multiple villages without power since last night. Local authorities have been working tirelessly to clear the debris. Fallen trees are being removed from the roads and efforts to restore the broken power lines are underway. Despite these efforts, the storm's aftermath is still evident, with teams clearing trees that have fallen on homes and causing further disruption. While the storm has left significant disruption in its wake, the community's efforts to restore normalcy are in full swing. Residents remain hopeful for swift recovery as authorities continue their work to clear the damage and restore essential services.
एटा नुआ बनै छै नुआ बना छै जहाँ द्वारा बहुत क्षति हला कोन कोन गवर्नमेंट जे सहायता करना बहुत किछि उपकृत हो एई 4:30 भीतर जो जोर हवाटा है जे 80 बरस ऊपर देखि पूरा एकदम घर बहुत क्षति करछि पूरा घर भांग दे छी छत